Today we're going to be showing you how to connect your cell phone for the GMC Apple CarPlay. First thing we're going to do, on the screen here we're going to have both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. All you have to do is click Apple CarPlay. It'll bring up a notification for you to pair your phone. Then you head over to your phone. You want to go to your Bluetooth settings. Look for the pair that matches with the screen. Make sure your numbers match up. Hit pair on both. Allow your contacts to sync over. Then you're going to connect. And then on the screen here, you're going to want to hit enable. Give it a couple seconds, and then after that, your phone should be connected for the Apple CarPlay. So now that you're connected to Apple CarPlay, now you can use the hands-free talk-to-text feature on the steering wheel by hitting this button right here. You can use it for music, navigation, making a phone call, sending text messages, anything that you would use your cell phone for, everything will be right here on the steering wheel for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, or you can visit us on Route 30 in Greensburg, or you can visit us online at smellegmc.com.